colors. Blue color, orange color, purple color, light green color, yellow color, pink color, red color. चलो बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे ABCD. ABCD with colors. Pink color, A for apple. A for apple. Red color, B for ball. B for ball. Yellow color, C for cat. C for cat. Orange color, D for dog. D for dog. Purple color, E for elephant. E for elephant. Blue color, F for fish. F for fish. Light green color, G for grapes. G for grape. Green color, H for hand. H for hand. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hand.